In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass Windows 11 system requirements for update 24H2. You see the current version of this computer is 23H2. So 24H2 is a little different. You won't be able to use the same hacks as you did for the previous versions. It's still pretty easy. It's a couple of more steps, and I'll show you in this video. You will need a USB flash drive that's at least 8 gigs or larger. First, to download the Windows ISO, open up any browser, type in Windows 11 download. Scroll down and look for the one from the Microsoft.com website. Now scroll down again and go to Windows 11 disk image for x64 devices. Select the language. Click on 64-bit download and give it a few minutes to download the file. Now I'll show you this computer doesn't meet the requirements for the 24H2 upgrade. I'm going to run the ISO and start the upgrade. Set it to not run updates for right now. And after the check, you see it doesn't meet the requirements. Now I'll exit and I'll show you how to fix this. Now you need a tool called Rufus. You can open up a browser and type Rufus in the search. And click on download. I'm going to choose this one, which is the portable version. Once it's downloaded, run the Rufus file. For device, select the USB drive you will use. This is going to wipe out the drive, so make sure you don't have any data on it that you need. Click the select button and choose the ISO file. You can leave everything the same as you see here, and then click the start button. Leave the first two checkboxes checked. That'll bypass the requirements. All the others are optional, and just click OK. Give it a few minutes, it'll copy all the files and create the drive. Now when it's done, hit close. Now go to this PC, make sure to select the flash drive, and then run the setup file. Do the same as before and select not to download updates. You see now after the check, it meets all the requirements and you can run the install. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped. Thank you for watching.